19th of August 2020, Airdrie. We have Gibson dog, Lindsay dog, and Lexi dog here. We have Carew dog walker here. No better dog walking service on the earth. How do you like that? Gibson dog? Yes.
So Lardo Hot, get over here. Hey, over here.
Who let the dogs out, Airdrie? Just go on YouTube. Who let the dogs out, Airdrie? Right.
People don't want to talk to you.
Who let the dogs out? And we're enjoying the dog walk where we used to have 3,000 degree really hot temperatures. It's cooler tonight. Very much cooler. Everybody out enjoying themselves. This is the city is going that way to build more homes. Destroying the habitat of the swift fox and the burrowing owl up there. Desperate need for natural environment space. These guys may not get through on the light because of the dog walkers. Lex is moving. So who let the dogs out? We're having a great walk. It's around 7 o'clock or so. 19th of August 2020. 28th, 29th day of 5780. Baruch Hashem, God bless everybody. Especially Gibson dog.
Gibson, what are you doing?